What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I posted a video. I'm due for a ride, I'm due for a video, so we're heading out. None of the boys can make it, so I'm heading out on a little solo run today. Just got a little care package from Finntrail. The big thing from it was the Finntrail Black Series 20-liter bag. They do have a bigger 30-liter, but I wanted to go more minimal on the colors. I wanted black instead of a lot of gray. Nice looking bag, probably never gonna look that good again. So anyway, heading out on a little solo run today, like I said. Just need to get out on the 850. Honestly, I haven't been on this thing off the property in almost 2 months. I'm really just gonna hit the rails for trails, do a little bit of cruising, see what I can find off to the sides, maybe get a little content for Instagram, snap some pictures, maybe a reel or two, and bring you guys along with me. Just a bit of a mental health ride. Need a little throttle therapy, even if I don't get in anything. Sometimes you just gotta get out for yourself. So anyway, come along with me, let's go. Okay, let's get going. Need to get out on these trails, man. Just get out in the open air. Like I said, I picked up the Finntrail bag. I'm trying out some Finntrail gloves here too. First time ever using any gloves from them, so see how they feel. They're comfortable, I know that. Oh yeah. Yes sir. All this was needed. Let's go.
Excuse me, I'm a citizen.
These trails are for everybody, whether you're walking, running, biking, or using your ATV or your dirt bike or whatever. But apparently she didn't like me or the exhaust. She was freaking out. She was over here. I slowed down and went to this side. She's still waving her arms and going on about slow down and stop. And you gotta share the trails. I know this thing's louder than, well, her mouth's probably louder than this exhaust if I would have stopped to talk to her, but we gotta share the trails. Share the trails, people. Ain't that big a deal. See, look, here's some nice friendly people, I bet. I'll slow down. They don't know they're not gonna both go to the same side. Just give a wave. See, that's how you do it. Karen couldn't be bothered to do that. And I just came across about 4 more groups of people. They were all cool with it. To turn this GoPro off to save batteries because I'm down to 1 right now, and I don't know what it is about the Hero 7, if any of you guys have that same problem, but you gotta hold that off button just the right way or it won't go, and especially with gloves on, man, it's a pain. Anybody else have that problem? Might be time to upgrade soon. Well, I just pulled off the main drag. It looked like I found a little trail, but I think it was just the start of a trail, and either they gave up on it or Mother Nature will force them to give up on it, but figured it's a decent enough spot to take a picture anyway. Get a little shot for the gram. The sun just came out, which I don't particularly love, but we're pretty shaded here by the trees, so hopefully that helps us. Look out, Finntrail, this ain't about you right now, although it should be. Bag's pretty slick. Like I said, they got 2 different types of waterproof bag. I went with kind of the simple roll down one. She ain't gonna stay that clean too much longer, just today. If you guys want to pick up one of them or some waders, I'll put my code right here on the screen, and the link and the code will be in the description. No pressure at all, man. Just figure if I can help you guys out, why not? It does help me out a little bit. I don't get paid off my codes, but it just lets Finntrail know they're doing the right thing by sponsoring me a little bit. And the more they help me, the more content I can bring to you guys, better content I can bring to you guys. Everybody wins. I don't know where that trail goes, but I gotta stop and see. Where do you go, my friend? Is that deep that it needed a bridge? I mean, I'm pretty sure I can see bottom. Is that deep? Let's investigate. Why does this need a bridge? I feel dumb for even testing that out. Whoever put the bridge here should. What a weird bridge, man. Break an ankle walking on this thing. Alright, well, let's go through this little puddle. Alright, I don't know how much further I'm going to go down this trail. Not only do I not know where it goes, but a lot of these, when I look at the maps, they end up in someone's yard, right? That's steep, and that kicks over. Do I want to go up there? Oh yeah, that wasn't that steep. And that looks so steep from the other side. I don't know why. Anyway, head on out of here. Head on. See what else we find. Oh, I know where we are. I mean, there's no signs to tell me not to ride on it. I'll just take a little tour out here and see what she looks like. Oh, baby! Look at me now! Aw, this don't go where I thought it did. Someone's been up there with a dirt bike, but my wheelbase is a little wide for it. I thought I was getting to the highway. Dang! Let's check this out over here, though. Oh! It's a tight way in, but once you're in...
What did he say?
I bet you that's something rocky, though. Because this is what they moved to make this, so I bet you that's all the same. It's too bad, man. Hey, little buddy. I ain't gonna bug you. Have a good one. I don't really know where I am here, to be honest with you. Let's check it out. Pretty clear. I think we'll stop here, but I want to see what this is up here. Yeah, that was deeper than I thought it was going to be. Yes, sir. That ended up being kind of fun to play around in. I mean, it's an easy two-wheel drive hole, but it's Better than that dry trail I was on before. I was gonna keep going, but I'm having a little GoPro issue now. It's on video mode, so everything looks right, but the screen's black. I can't turn it off, it won't record. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting tired of this Hero 7. Maybe it's just been through too much mud and stuff, I don't know. Don't really wanna upgrade right now because the video quality's good and I don't do a ton of GoPro riding to begin with. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a new one or not. Let me know what I should do. Drop a comment, and like I said before, mic tips, mount tips, put them in the comments as well. I'm just gonna head back for now. Shout out to Finntrail, keeping me dry like always. And also, like always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace.